long time. I will live with that for the rest of my life because.
So what's up, everybody? If you're here,
because it was such a high-profile case.
You're just gonna go live?
Yes.
You didn't tell me.
Hey.
No matter the outcome of this trial.
Hi, everyone. I'm leaving now.
And
we're checking into Johnny Depp. See what's going on with Johnny Depp.
it never had to.
Hold on a second, guys. I gotta check something real quick. So yeah, we're gonna talk about Johnny Depp for a little while, just to check it out, see what's happening. So yeah, we're gonna talk about Johnny Depp for a little while, just to Hold on, everybody. Just trying to see if I can do this. Edit video. And there we go. All right. All right, here we go. So what's up, everybody? I'm just what's up on here? What's up, Ivan? What's up, Melinda? I just figured I get in on this little Johnny Depp thing that's going on. Everybody else is doing it. Everybody else has a take on what's happening. So I figured,
Good afternoon, Mr. Depp.
Why not me?
Good afternoon, Mr. Robinborn.
I'm happy that in the last little bit we've gotten to the reason why we're here. And
So
to start with,
so he's getting cross-examined now.
please pull up plaintiff's exhibit.
Looks like Amber Heard is a liar. Well, we don't know, so we'll see. I'm gonna run this maybe for about hours or so, just to see what's going on with Johnny Depp. Yes, his head's cut off. There's reasons for that.
Your Honor, I believe this is either in evidence or has been stipulated as part of the opening.
I see no objections to. No objection. Okay.
So basically, if you guys don't know what's happening, Johnny Depp and Amber Heard, of course, are divorced. She accused him of spousal abuse. Maybe coming to find out that she might have lied. And
This
yeah.
opinion piece in the middle of the page there, Mr. Depp. This is the opinion piece that Amber Heard wrote in the Washington Post that was published on December 18th, 2018.
it's on all the check anywhere on YouTube. It's live streaming right now.
Let's see, December 19th on it. At the top of the page.
So I believe he's being cross-examined right now.
2018. I believe that the 2018 was the online. Is it not?
Okay, so December 18th, December 19th, this piece. In the
What's
middle
up,
of the page
Chrissy?
is the opinion piece Ms. Heard wrote, right?
Could you make it a little bigger? My eyes
Sure.
are getting smaller.
And this is what you're suing her over. Correct?
I'm suing her over defamation and the various falsities that she used to bring my life to an end.
Oh,
And you understand,
Many
Mr. Depp,
things.
you understand, Mr. Depp, that you cannot, you are not suing her for any damage, alleged damage, or any accusations she made prior to writing this article. You're aware of that. You'd agree with that.
well, at least I know who puts on the notifications. Hey, what's up, everybody? I'm just running a little quick video
Could you say that again?
just to talk about this Johnny Depp thing real quick. I just
You
think
are
it's
not
a travesty of justice how this
bringing
guy's
a
getting
lawsuit
accused.
against her, bringing her into court in Virginia for anything that she did prior to writing this article. Correct? You know that you can't do that, right?
I have to say that I, as I said at the top of this, I've never seen this version of the op-ed piece. The version that I saw was the other one that I identified that was on the 18th. This is on the 19th. I believe the 18th
So Johnny Depp getting cross-examined now by Amber's attorneys.
was quite
trying to get this thing thrown out. But apparently Johnny Depp was abused, like has battered syndrome, was beat.
2 years before either.
Like she tortured him.
I'm sorry, I was just.
No, I think you answered my question, sir. Thank you.
Oh.
2 years before the online.
And if you guys think that women can't abuse men,
2016,
you're sadly wrong about that one, 'cause it happens. And yes, we'll be on tonight for Dynamite.
Yes, sir.
And in obtaining that domestic violence restraining order in May 2016, she accused you of domestic abuse, right?
Yes, sir.
And Michelle, if you could blow up the third paragraph down, please.
So they're trying to present evidence now.
And in the opinion piece that's before you, published in the Washington Post, she wrote, "Then 2 years ago, I became a public figure representing domestic abuse." Correct?
It happens, bro.
She wrote it.
And the
Or
piece
somebody did.
doesn't contain your name, correct?
Love you too, buddy.
No.
And other than mentioning the fact of abuse accusations that were made 2 years prior to the publication of this article, the opinion piece doesn't contain any details of your time together, correct?
I think that I think it's very easy to write a piece and put the finger on someone without saying their name. There are sneaky ways of writing things, and as
If you guys haven't been watching, she threw a wine bottle at Johnny Depp and shattered his finger. He had a pin in his finger. His hand was shattered because of her.
Described to.
He talks about how he was in the bathroom hiding from her. She kicked the door, hit him in the head with the door.
And I appreciate.
Sorry, evidence.
Next question, okay?
Thank you, Your Honor. Mr. Depp, I appreciate you've gotten a lot of chance to talk, and I'm trying to be respectful of the court's time and the jury's time. So I'm going to ask you that question again, because I think it's a pretty simple yes or no question, which is,
You'd like
Other-
it to be, sir.
other-
Nothing simple in this case.
other than
Tell him,
mentioning
Johnny.
the fact of abuse accusations made 2 years prior, this opinion piece does not contain any details of your time together. Yes or no?
It contains fragments. This piece here, I don't know, is this word for word with the other piece?
And the article discusses proposed legislation, which you just talked about, correct? You'd agree with that, right?
Yes.
And it discusses Amber's experiences after she had separated from you. You'd agree with that, right?
2 years ago, I became the public face for domestic violence. 2018, 2016. It seemed to me that the puzzle was going to work, no matter.
Lawyer's a good man. You should go to law school, everybody. It's a
So
great profession. Make money.
I'll take that response as a no, that this piece does not discuss, that this piece does not discuss anything prior to Miss Heard separating from you, and it only discusses her experiences, her biographical experiences after she separated from you. Correct?
I can't say that.
Now, you're claiming that due to Amber's allegations of abuse, you can't be in Pirates 6, correct?
I'm saying that after everything had basically hit its media targets and the hit pieces kept coming, it would be, I would be a real simpleton to not think that there was an effect on my career based on Ms. Heard's.
Good choice of wording, Johnny.
Whether they
His lawyers prepped him very good.
You became aware prior to the publication of this op-ed.
And if you guys have been watching her demeanor is different than it has been the last couple of days. Her hair changed, everything.
Dramatically shrinking your role, correct?
No.
Can you pull up Defense Exhibit 113, please? Let's go.
So apparently her lawyers are trying to trip him up on something, on the wording of the defamation case.
Let's go to 114.
Are you changing your name?
Yeah, I'm sorry, Your Honor, but it's the next one.
Yeah, Melinda, Johnny is smart. You're right.
Sorry, one more. Let's 115, please.
It's very apparent here she lied. Yeah, they argued, but he never touched her. At least from what I see. That's just my opinion.
Mr. Depp, do you
Personal
see?
dramas, yes.
Sorry,
Do you have questions for me?
I did. I was just giving you time to read. Do you see the date of this article beneath those bullet points is October 25th, 2018? Do you see that?
Yes, I do.
And do you see that the headline, "Hide the Rum, Johnny Depp is out
Objection, Your
as
Honor.
Jack Sparrow in Disney"?
Objection, objection.
Yes, objection, hearsay.
Sustained.
I was asking if he became aware. I'm not offering the article for the truth.
This is
His
an
awareness.
article from the email, Your Honor.
Right. I'm asking if his awareness that he was likely
I'll
out.
allow that question.
Oh, he allowed the question.
So,
Wow.
Mr. Depp,
Yes, sir.
were you aware that as of October 25th, 2018, about 2 months before this op-ed was published, that it was being reported, as it is in this article, that Johnny Depp is out as Jack Sparrow in Disney's Pirates of the Caribbean film franchise as actor battles financial issues and personal dramas? Were you aware of that?
I wasn't aware of that, but it doesn't surprise me given that 2 years had gone by of just constant worldwide talk about me being this wife beater.
Understood, but you,
So I'm sure that Disney was trying to cut ties
Objection,
to be safe. The Me Too movement was in full swing.
objection.
right, and to the extent they were trying to cut ties to be safe, that was as long as 2 months before you wrote the op-ed.
Objection calls for speculation.
I'll allow it if you can.
Allow it. Mhm.
I'm sorry, the question?
To the extent that Disney was trying to cut ties with you, as you say, to be safe.
His lawyer should
that
object a long
was
time
As
ago.
much as 2 months prior to you publish, or to Ms. Heard publishing the op-ed in the Washington Post, correct?
Objection.
I'll allow it if you can answer.
October is 2 months before December. That's correct. But it's odd that they were going to release me from my role as Captain Jack Sparrow, yet kept me on every ride across the world. In the Pirates of the Caribbean rides, I'm in the Los Angeles or the Hollywood one or whatever it is, 3 or 4 times. Shanghai, I mean, all over the world. So they didn't remove my character from the rides. They didn't stop selling merchandise
Oh,
of Captain Jack Sparrow. They didn't stop selling dolls of Captain Jack Sparrow. They didn't stop selling anything. They just didn't want there to be something trailing behind me that they'd find.
And you aren't aware, you said Pirate 6 in your view is dangling. You're not aware of if or when Pirate 6 will be made, correct?
No, sir.
And the fact is, Mr. Depp, if Disney came to you with $300 million and 1 million alpacas, nothing on this earth would get you to go back and work with Disney on a Pirates of the Caribbean film.
That is true, Mr. Robinborn.
wow.
And you couldn't identify a single movie that you did between the divorce and the op-ed in response to Ms. Meyer's questions just now. You said there was a small tour of your band between that, but you couldn't identify a single movie that you did in the year or two prior to the op-ed, correct?
I have to tell you that when I'm working on a film, I do my work, and when I'm wrapped on that film, I've done my work, and I move on to the next. So I haven't seen the majority of my films. I've seen a few only if I had to, So it doesn't come right away to my head. Films are not the first thing that I think about.
And you spent a long time talking about the impact of the abuse allegations made in Ms. Heard's obtaining the temporary restraining order or the domestic violence restraining order in May 2016, right?
Sure.
And you testified that you wanted to fight it, right? But the fact is, you never fought the allegations in court in 2016. It was only after Ms. Heard published this op-ed in 2018 that you fought them. You never tried to fight them in 2016, did you?
I was advised by my attorneys not to fight.
In fact, you signed not only that we read a statement, but
I want her to get on stand. That's what I can't wait for. I can't wait to see the cross-examination from his lawyers on her. That's going to be good.
Let's pull up.
So right now, if you're asking my professional opinion, my legal opinion, Johnny Depp is holding his own, and the lawyers are grasping. Her lawyers are grasping. But I don't have a law degree, everybody. Just watch a lot of Law and Order. Bum, bum. But she definitely doesn't look the same as in the last couple
You
days.
see that this says marriage of Depp, correct?
I see that.
It's a legal document. Can you scroll to the signature page, Michelle, please? This was a document that you signed as part of your divorce proceedings, correct?
That's my signature indeed, yes.
Indeed.
Your Honor, move for admission of this document.
Any objection to that document?
No objection, Your Honor.
All right, 1458 in evidence.
May we publish, please?
Yes, sir.
So they say publish. Now we're going to be able to see it now. There we
Mr.
go.
Depp, that is your signature on the right, correct?
Right here.
Yes, it is.
Dated August 15th, 2016, right?
That's what it says, yes.
And this is you were this is a document you signed, right?
For the third time, that is my signature, yes.
Let's go to paragraph 27, please.
So for the third time, this is my signature.
Paragraph,
27.
okay.
Neither party shall make any
And
public
this
statements.
paragraph is a joint statement that both sides agreed to release. And if you look in the block quote there, it contains the quote, or it contains the statement, neither party has made false accusations for financial gain. Neither party has made false accusations for financial gain. Did I read that right?
You did, Mr.
Let me take
Robinborn.
that down.
But he never said that she made the financial gain statement to smear him. He just said she lied. He didn't say for financial gain.
And that was a document you signed in August of 2016.
His lawyer's going to eat this up.
Correct.
Is that the same one that I signed 3 times before? Yes,
Yeah.
that's the
Well,
fourth.
I wanted to make clear that you
You
signed
made it
that in
clear.
the summer of 2016, 2 years before Ms. Heard published her op-ed. I don't have anything else for the day, Your Honor.
Okay, okay, all right, we'll go ahead and take our evening.
If that's okay.
That works for me. I was gonna stop you at 5 o'clock anyway, so that's fine. All right, ladies and gentlemen, that'll conclude our day-to-day. Again,
That's it.
don't do any outside research, do not talk to anybody. We'll see you in the morning, okay? All right, have a good evening.
His lawyers didn't do too much her lawyers didn't do too much to hurt him, honestly. I think it was
Don't discuss your testimony with anybody.
I think, and if you guys see my thing's a little lower for a reason, I was trying to cover some logos. If you guys haven't been paying attention, I've been watching this all week. Have gotten no work done on the channel because of Johnny Depp and Amber Heard. I just think that, a lot of people don't realize that women, everybody wants equality, racial, sexual, gender, whatever. Men get beaten too. Men get harassed too. It goes both ways. Men get sexually harassed, the whole deal. So basically, Johnny Depp is standing up for himself. He feels that he lost a lot of work, a lot of money because of her. And I think he's gonna win, honestly. I don't think he's gonna get he's suing her for $50 million. I don't think he's gonna get 50 million, but I think he's gonna get something, which is a win anywhere. You know? If you guys have been listening, check out the highlights all over the internet, all over YouTube. It's everywhere. She was a monster. Like the thing, I mean, don't get me wrong, he was no angel. He cursed and everything, but who doesn't curse? But she was just like something from another planet, like just like possessed. The stuff she would say to him, and you know, and he wanted to walk away. He tried to walk. He goes, yeah. She goes, you're such a coward because you don't stay and fight. Yeah, I hit you. Yeah. So okay, I can't remember. So I was like, could you imagine? But whatever. Anyway, I just want to put that out there. Just get a little bit of a traffic to the channel. Hey, I just put up a video too about the tantalizing top 5. Check that out. That's something we just taped today. We'll be doing those kind of videos coming up soon too. So that was it. I'll be back in 2.5 hours for AEW Dynamite. Any other questions? Any other comments? Say them now or forever hold your peace. Anybody? Anyone? Anyone? Bueller? No? Nothing to say? Nobody? No? Bueller? No? Okay then. That does it. Like I said, I just wanted to just throw little things out there. Just get a little video up. But it's amazing that, you know, it's amazing how you can be 1 minute on top and then next minute lights out. All right, everybody, I'm out. Not music, no music, no nothing. I'm just gonna say peace out. See you guys back at 7:30 for AEW Dynamite. Later. Stay tantalizing.